Good morning, Eagles. Happy Friday and welcome back to Bulligan News. I'm Cayla Files.
And I'm Megan Enesi. We have lots of information to get to today. Last night was open house and it was great to see all of the families in attendance. Here's a quick recap.
Spear Week begins Monday, September 22nd and goes through the 26th leading up to the pep rally on Friday. There will be class competitions and individual competitions where you will have a chance to win gift cards and other prizes through lunch waves during this week.
Then it's time to get your dancing shoes on. Homecoming is Saturday the 27th. The theme will be Dancing in the Dark. Tickets will be $15, which will include food. You will be able to start purchasing tickets during all lunch waves starting on Thursday, September 18th through Friday, September 26th. If you have any questions, please see Mr. Muñoz or Miss McGrath.
I am so excited about Spear Week and Homecoming. Speaking of Homecoming, Second Dance, the dress donation fundraiser, is still going on and donations of dresses, new or gently used, are being collected in the main office.
If you or your family have any dresses for Homecoming, please bring them in.
This week, we celebrate Athletic Administrators Week. Please join us in recognizing Mr. Sterling Scanlon, our new athletic director. He has already shown his commitment to our students.
Thank you, Mr. Scanlon, for making education-based athletics possible here at WHS.
Up now, members of the Pre-Med Club are here to chat about their mission.
Hi everyone, I'm Hannah Burstein and I'm the president of the Pre-Med Club.
And I'm Graylin Soder.
Evan Mainville.
And Andrew Rodriguez. We are the vice presidents of the club.
If you are interested in medicine, the Pre-Med Club is perfect for you.
We host many fundraisers, guest speakers, promote volunteer opportunities, and much more.
If you are interested, we would love to see you at our first meeting on Monday, September 15th, right after school in Mr. Chatfield's room.
It is in room 418 and we meet every Monday. The code is on the screen. If you want to join, we hope to see you there.
Thanks, guys. The Future Educators Club is holding their first meeting Monday, September 15th at 2:20 in room 331.
This group goes to elementary schools to read books and teach lessons. They also do college visits. See Mrs. Galvin with any questions.
The Chess Club has their first meeting next week on Wednesday at 2:20 p.m. in room 402. See Mr. Longyear with any questions.
The GSA will host its first meeting Friday, September 19th after school in the Wellness Center. Please see Miss Lindsay if you have any questions. New members are always welcome.
If traveling the world is on your bucket list, you should register to attend the International Travel Night meeting, which will be held Wednesday, September 24th at 7 p.m. in the auditorium.
Imagine yourself flying off to Eastern Europe, France, or Australia in 2027. Scan this QR code to RSVP. See Miss Coco with any questions.
Christian is here with the sports report.
Hi, I'm Christian Macias with the sports report. Congrats to the Westfield girls cross country team who won the Blue Dragon Invitational last Friday. Led by Alexa Nunez, who won the race, the Lady Eagles beat 11 other teams with strong showings from Miranda Dominguez, Nola Pavic, Jenna Fushi, and Haley Williams. This is the first time in school history that a girls cross-country team has won an invitational. Congrats, Eagles. The volleyball team will play at Glastonbury later today. The varsity football team will play at Burnell today as well. We leave the sports report with our first graphic Eagle segment of the year.
Thanks, Christian. Up now is Zoe with Info 30. Zoe?
Today's the last day to pick up last year's portfolio work from Mr. Brown in room 401 if you want it. The Yearbook Club meets Monday the 15th after school in room 23A. See Mrs. Campbell with any questions. The National Honor Society has its first meeting Wednesday the 17th after school in room 116. Please be on time. The Asian Cultural Club meets every other week on Wednesdays in room 103. See Mrs. Wong with any questions. The Robotics and Coding Club has its first meeting starting on Thursday, September 18th after school in room 219. See Mrs. Nicholas with any questions. The Bike Club is having their first ice cream ride next Friday after school. See Mr. Brown with any questions. Plan for the dance fundraiser at Salute on Rocky Hill on September 29th. Eat out and support the team. Purchase season passes for $5 to get into all home football games and soccer games. Tickets are sold in the main office or an athletic office, and that's Info 30.
Thanks, Zoe.
Now it's time for On the Go with Cool Man Alex.
Hey everybody, it's Coolman Alex here with the next segment of On The Go. Today's question of the day is, what did you do over summer? So let's get right to the video. What did you do over summer?
I played a lot of soccer.
What'd you do over summer?
Work.
What did you do over summer?
I went to a really cool concert in Boston.
I went to Rhode Island.
I went to Greece.
What did you do over summer?
Practice football.
I went to Dominican Republic.
Hung out with friends.
Went to the beach house.
I went fishing. I went on vacation.
Runs.
I went to runs.
I went to nationals in Florida for soccer.
Hung out with friends. Yeah, we both hung out with our friends.
What did you do over summer?
I slept in my bed.
Thanks, Alex. That's all for today. I'm Cayla Files.
And I'm Megan Enesi. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Have a great day, Eagles.
We are loud.
We are proud.
We are Eagles.